Hey guys, it's Paul Clifford, and I'm recording this run through for you because I'm really excited about this launch for a product called convertri. And essentially it's a funnel builder, okay? And you might have heard of funnel builders and page builders before, but there's a couple of things that are really significant about this. Firstly, it's hand developed by Andy Fletcher and his team. So he has a history of building like big SaaS software. Okay, so the point about this is it's not like outsourced to some team, or it's not like bought in or anything like that. This is like a real business that's going to grow. Okay, he's literally taking sort of ClickFunnels head on and lead pages and everyone like that. But the angle is speed. It's pure performance, because if you're building or if you have any website whatsoever, then you should know that it has to load really, really quickly. And there's a direct correlation between, conversion rates and loading speed. I mean, it's, if you research the data, everyone agrees with that. So if you've got a really fast loading site, you're going to get, more leads, more sales. It's a fact. Okay. So this is what he's focusing on. Obviously, it's all mobile responsive. And I've been using this the last few days, and I've just built this bonus page. So this is I'm inside the editor right now. This is the video that you're watching right now. And what's unique about this is, apart from performance, is everything is a free format in terms of where you can put it. Okay, so in ClickFunnels, for example, everything you have to add as modules, so it can either be left or right or centered, and whereas in convertri, like, everything is free format. So if I want that there, it can literally just stay there. Okay, and that's how the page will be. Okay, but there's a ton more. So really cool things like, so this bar here, this black background. So I want this right at the bottom as a footer. Okay, and all you do is you select it and you hold down the Alt key, and I just click and drag. Okay, and it just makes a copy for me automatically. So then all I have to do is scroll down here to the bottom of my page, and there you go. It's just there, and that's it. It's done. So I probably don't want the images and everything again. So I'm just going to take those out. Okay, and you just select it like this. Oops. You have to, with text boxes, you have to select the actual text box or the text within it, and sometimes it can get a bit tricky to do that. Oh, I realise what I'm doing wrong now. I need to bring it forward. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, so it's a really cool editor, and because it's so quick, it's actually really good fun to use. Being able to drag everything and put it wherever you want to, really, really quickly. And there's grid lines and things like that. So you can do all your alignment and snap to grid and all the normal stuff that you'd expect. So it's fast to use as a builder. It's the pages load really, really quickly. Essentially, what you should know is he's using the same backbone that Walmart use. Okay, for when they have their big Black Friday sales and all that sort of stuff. That's what he's using. All right, which is why it's so powerful. So just to give you an example, let's say I want to put an image here. I just literally drag an image, okay, and up pops a box. So let's say I want to put this image in here. I can either upload one straight away, or I can just click on that. An image just goes straight in, and I can just resize it ultra quickly. Okay. I mean, seriously, everything is so fast. And he has a tool, some technology behind the scenes, where when you upload an image, it will actually do all the compression and everything like that. So the image itself will be really, really quick. All those slick little things that no one else does this sort of stuff. So it's it's really handmade. It's top of the line type quality. This is the Rolex of page builders, if there was such a thing. And just to give you an example of the performance, right? So I took a bonus page that I ran last week for Sean Donahoe's launch, and this is it on ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels a lot, and so I ran pretty much the same bonus page in terms of layout and everything So I ran that, and it got a YSlow score of C. Still page speed score of A, so ClickFunnels is still, pretty quick. Page load time of 6 seconds. And then I ran this bonus page, the ones you're looking at now, through it, expecting to get something similar. But look at this. It's like, a YSlow score of A and 1.7 second page load time. Okay, so I'm sure that there are differences in the page weighting. Okay, so there's probably more images on the older one and things like that. So I get that. If you're looking at that, I understand. But generally, you can tell straight away when using it how fast it is. Okay, so let me just talk to you a bit about the bonus and everything else. So what I've done here, so instead of providing you with a lot of training and tools, like downloads and things like that, I'm going to do this completely differently, because with the funnel builder, the things that you might be thinking of is like, well, how do I get traffic and how do I convert that traffic into sales? Okay, so instead of giving lots of downloads and stuff like that, what I'm going to do is create a walkthrough. Okay, so I'm going to record a video going through one of my best funnels that I'm running right now. Okay, and just to give you an idea of this funnel. Okay, so this is like a 7-day snapshot, and I'm getting a 2.5, 3 times ROI on my traffic. Okay, so I'm spending at the moment about $10,000 a week, and I'm making $35,000 in revenue. Okay, so what I thought I'd do is take you through behind the scenes of that. Okay, so in other words, what the ads look like, how to target people. This particular funnel is a Facebook one, so I'll show you how to find those audiences, or how to create custom audiences from your own lists, or however you're working, and the ads that we're running, the ads that failed. Okay, and I'll show you everything that went wrong. All right, because everything's a test, as you may know. And so I'm going to pre-record all of this. I'm going to take you in depth behind the scenes on this. So I haven't done this before. It's not often that I open the inside of our business to customers, but I really want you to take advantage of this. I want you to get this software, convertri, because it's brilliant. It's really good. I know Andy really well, but that's not the reason I'm promoting it. I'm promoting it because it's solid. It's really solid software. And so what you have is, you have the front end, which is the software. Then there's an upsell, which is a template club. Okay, so we can get monthly templates and things like that. And the second upsell is some awesome training by Colin Terrio. Okay, so Colin is probably the most respected copywriter in the industry, within this sort of niche, within the IM niche. And he's basically halving, or like doing like 75% off his best training. Okay, he doesn't do a lot of this anymore because he's like, he's done it, he's made it, he's retired. But he's put this package together for Andy. I know Andy's practically giving it away in terms of cost, because Andy has to buy it off him, obviously. But I highly recommend that. So if you can, grab the software, get the upgrades, because it's a great package. It's very authentic, very genuine, and like amazing software. So so if you're on this page, click on the orange buttons to go to convertri sales page. Okay, email the help desk with your receipt. Let me just show you what that help desk URL, so you don't so you know where to send your receipt. Don't reply to this email because I might miss it. Here, right at the bottom of the page, that's the help desk email. So send it to them. Okay, they will make a note of your email and everything. And so I'm going to be doing the recording this week, and we'll get it out to you, when launch closes down in the first week of August. Okay, so I promise you it'll be good value. I'll make sure it's good value. Grab convertri. It's a great product, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks a lot.